Hi friends, this will be an unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and before everything else, this is my first time buying and owning a GoPro action camera. I bought this with my own money at Best Buy, so no sponsors or whatever here. I don't have the previous versions of the GoPro, so I don't have any idea to what's new here. Hero 8 Black was released around September 2019. So why buy now? It's because the weather is getting better and it's perfect to have more time outside and record some beautiful videos for memories as my main purpose. Now as you can see, the camera is mounted on top. Now to remove the camera, we need to lift the rubber flap, pinch and push very slowly so that you don't lose the camera. And now that we have removed, set aside, so it's like this. Just loosen the thumb screw like this, and now the camera is off the mount. Now on the mount we have this kind of lock right here. To remove, just need to push like this, and then now we have removed this somewhat kind of lock here. And now that we have removed the camera from the mount here, so let's open the box and see what's inside. So right out of the box here we have this kind of literature. It says GoPro Plus, unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage. Damaged camera replacement, no questions asked. Try it free at gopro.com/free plus. Now we're gonna have to check this one later. We have this kind of quick guide on how to open the battery compartment, how to remove the thumb screw, how to turn on and how to mount, and also how to download the GoPro app on the App Store, Apple App Store, and Google Play. And we have this kind of, what is this, customer service kind of paper. We have an important product manual and safety instructions, so we're gonna have to read this one because, as what I've said, I'm a first time GoPro user. We have this stickers, yeah, we have two pieces stickers here, the GoPro logo branding here. Now let's see what's inside. We have here the charging cable, the Type-C charging cable for file transfer and charging the battery, but yeah, it doesn't come with a charging brick, so we're gonna have to use our own charging brick. We can use our cell phone charger, or we can plug this directly into a computer or a laptop and it will charge the camera. We have this helmet mount with a 3M stick-on, and it's kind of curved right here. So yeah, it's designed for helmets. And we have here the GoPro Hero 8 Black battery, which is new, I guess, because I've seen the previous batteries of the GoPro and there wasn't a blue stand like this. And what I've read is that this is specifically for the GoPro 8. But I don't have any idea if this can be used for the previous versions. So I'm gonna research on that as well. But yeah, there you go. It has a blue end here for the GoPro Hero 8 back. As you can see here, on the side of the main box, it has the features. So I don't know if you can see it properly. I'm gonna read this to you, and you can also see this on the GoPro official website. So it has a 12 megapixels camera, 4K 60, 1080p 240 recording, slow-mo, hyper smooth 2.0, so I guess the previous version, maybe the 7, yeah, the 7, GoPro Hero 7 has the hyper smooth already, and now they upgraded it to the 2.0 version. And also the time warp is 2.0, so maybe same with the GoPro 7, it already has a time warp, and now they upgraded it on the GoPro Hero 8. And it has a 1080p live streaming, live burst, super photo plus HDR, raw, and it has a, you can see here it shows, now let's just remove it first. It has this finger mount that is built in with the camera. As what I've read, you can replace this. If this gets damaged, you can replace this with a new one, and you can get the replacement at the official GoPro website. So yeah, and it has a voice command. I guess this is a voice command touchscreen monitor here, and it says it can be used underwater for up to 33 feet or 10 meters, and it has a built-in GPS. Let's try to insert the battery. You just have to push this lock right here on the side, push downward, and then you can see there's a red. If you can see the red, now it's good to open. If you don't want to fully remove the door, you just need to open it slowly. But you can also remove this if you want like a more clear space right here when inserting the battery and the SD card. So you can also remove this by just doing it like this. Now it's removed. And just to put it back, you just need to hold very steady and then push right there. Now it's back. Now let's insert the battery here. So there you go. And let's insert the SD card. So I bought a 64 gig SanDisk Ultra SD card. To insert the SD card, you can try by putting the lens downward on the downward direction and your SD card with a chip right here, same position, and insert. There you go. And to remove, let me just remove this so that I can make it clear. So, and to remove the SD card, you just need to push it and it will come off. There you go. Now let's insert this one again. You have this side as well inside where you can plug in your cable charger. So let's try to close. There you go. You just need to push very tight so that it will close properly and then lock right there. That's good to go. So I also bought a screen protector, LCD screen protector and a lens protector. So I bought it like $11 Canadian dollars on Amazon, and it fits good, and I'm gonna test if it will affect the video quality. And that's it. First time owning a GoPro camera. You can check this camera at Best Buy's website in Canada, or in the US, or in Amazon Canada, or in Amazon US. I'll just have to check all the settings and features for this one, and hopefully I will upload videos using this camera. So that's it for this unboxing video, and thank you for watching. See you all in the next one. Be well. Peace.